Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a parcel with a smartphone in it, and it's from Croatia. Let's go find out. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have an ASUS ROG phone that was sent to us straight from Croatia. It is a mail-in repair service request, and we have a broken ROG Phone 7. So it's in that parcel. We opened it and we'll fix it right now. So the MO is to receive your broken smartphone, and David has been communicating with the customer for quite some time now, so we're expecting this smartphone. We'll fix it here, and once we're done, we'll ship it back right away. So of course, we will perform our best to deliver quality service for this customer. And thank you and greetings to all our subscribers in Croatia. And wherever you are, you can certainly do the same, especially on high-value smartphones like this ASUS ROG Phone 7. If you don't have technicians that you trust in your area, you can certainly send it to us. It's quite expensive, of course, if you're farther away, but sometimes you want to revive your smartphone, retrieve some data, or just want to save some money, because this smartphone is quite expensive, to be honest. So we have removed the back cover, we have detached the flex cable. Now we will remove the brackets for the main board. The main board is in the middle. So you have two sets of battery cells. We'll detach the connector for the display, and we'll install or connect the replacement display to this connector so we can test it. And surprisingly, this is painless. I thought this was complicated on our initial repairs of our previous ROG Phone 7s, but now I see it and it's quite simple. I don't know what David is doing here, but yeah, we are testing the replacement display to see if it's working. And this smartphone has been in transit for a few days maybe, so it's really dry in terms of battery life. So we'll charge it up for a bit and turn this on if it turns on at all. We have plugged in the fast charger. It's showing us something on the display. There you go, it's booting up. So ASUS ROG stands for Republic of Gamers. This is a gaming smartphone. Very, very expensive and packed with features for gaming. So you have extreme CPU and graphics performance. And right now we can't really test it some more. We have shut this phone down so we can continue with our disassembly. Yep, it's still charging, so no problems with the battery. There you go. We'll detach it. Detach the connector for the display. So you can see the camera and then another battery, and then the middle, this is a multi-layer main board, and another battery, and then the daughter board at the bottom. So what we're going to do now is remove the bottom battery so we can lift up and peel off the connector for the display. So if it's over the battery, it's gonna be easier for us to remove, but since it's squished in by the bottom battery, we have to remove everything, the connectors over the battery. And once those are removed, we will lift up the battery and peel off the connector for the display. So lots of things to do just so we can reach to the display connector. So right here, we can now lift up the battery. We're not going to completely remove it. We'll just make sure that it's not pushing into the display connector. So this has not been opened for all adhesives are from the factory. You also have to be very careful not to puncture or bend the battery. So this has not been fast forwarded. This is the actual pace. This is what you mean by be careful. So the battery is now peeled off so that we can take a tweezer and peel off the display connector here. There you go. Now we can focus our attention to the front of the device. We will remove the display just like what we did with the back cover. We'll pry it off from the sides, and knowing that we can pull out the connector from the back of the broken display is gonna be easy for us to remove, just like this one. There you go. So the fingerprint scanner, you can see that square sensor. And now we will put our liquid adhesive around housing just so we can install the new display. So yeah, we receive lots of mail-in repair service requests from the US, many parts of Asia, and now from Europe. So this is gonna be our first one. And shout out to our customer who has watched our videos and have learned that we fixed ROG Phone7s here. Thank you for trusting Sydney CBD Repair Centre. So yeah, if you have an ROG Phone7 that needs a new display, you don't have any trusted technicians and ASUS won't help you out, you can send it to us. Just make sure to let David know that you're sending it to us so you can get the address or contact information, and we'll fix it here, right here in the shop in Sydney. We're a small repair shop, but we'll send it back to you once we're done with it. So right now we are doing the reverse process. We are installing everything that we have removed, all the countless connectors. We will put them back in, all the screws that we have removed also. There you go. So we will perform more testing on this one, of course. Make sure that it's gonna survive the journey, pack it so well. And at the recording of this video, it has already landed back to Croatia. So hope the client enjoys the results of this repair, and hope you're watching this. Thank you for trusting Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Just the last part, the back cover, and we're done. There you go. We're closing it up. Good as new. Just needs a little bit of wipe to remove the residue from the adhesive. And thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. This is the before and after. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.